Hey YouTube, I have a SanDisk flash drive here for data recovery, which is all messed up. I asked the customer if this actually happened while it stopped working, before or after, and he said that it happened after. So looks like he was trying to maybe take it apart or something. But I took a look at the microscope. These connectors, these pins look okay. So I already took it apart. In order to take this apart, you go ahead and start from this side. Here we go. Okay, that part is gone. I also cut some of these tabs, two of these tabs, actually free, almost free. So you remove this part. Next you remove this. These tabs, push them out of the way and carefully, carefully lift this out. Actually, I was using my tweezers here in the hole to take it off. Here we go. Okay, so let me take a look at the microscope, because I see some damage, and I see, here I already was inspecting it. I kind of see why it failed. So let me change the view. So here are the contacts. As I said earlier, it's kind of a little bit messed up, but not too bad. So this is not the reason this failed. But however, after customer probably messed with it, I can see some damage in here. There's some pins damaged, okay. And also on the other side of the NAND chip, take a look at here. These contacts are kinda, you can see they're broken off plugs. So if you try to move them, like this one's moving, this one's moving, this one's moving, this one's moving. So most likely see, there are a bunch of them are moving. So most likely it actually stopped working because of this, I would say, because of these contacts, and this is just the customer inflicted damage. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna fix it up. As I said, I'm not touching this is good enough. I'm gonna fix this and resolder these contacts. We'll go from there. Okay. Okay. And I want to remove these bridges of solder actually. So okay, I want to move this a lot more because this is gonna actually break off. Okay. It's kind of good enough for now. Let's try to solder this stuff. I'm doing these bridges for a reason, actually, to clean up leftover solder. Okay, good. This is good. This is good. Okay, so let's see, make sure. Yes, this looks good. Okay. I don't see no bridges there. And we're gonna go through and actually touch up all of these on this side and the other side as well. All these contacts, I'm gonna touch them up. This would be the proper procedure at this point. Okay, now the other side. Okay, good to go. Nothing's moving. Let me clean it up, insert it back in this black part and see how it goes. Okay, so this is back in its housing, and let me connect it to my hub. Let me see, this is the correct way. The moments of truth. Yep, and it's coming up. Okay, it's coming up, but I don't see nothing. Maybe it's because it's Mac. Used, there's nothing used on it. Okay, let me take a look, see what's going on. I can see it's coming up now, but I don't see nothing on the flash drive. Maybe he deleted stuff. I'll see. Okay, the flash drive is inside of my laptop. As you can see, SanDisk Cruze Dial. There's nothing on it, but I'm doing a scan to see if maybe he deleted it, because you have to call him again and double check what exactly happened, because The flash drive was destroyed, but I don't see nothing on it. This is just some files that came up after I connected to my Mac. So the repair of the flash drive is complete, and I just need to see what's going on with those files if I can recover them. So thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button to help me grow my channel. Thank you. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.